Yo, what is up and welcome back to Galaxy. In this video today, I'm giving you 3 price predictions for BABYDOGE for 2023, 2024, and 2025. You're like, wow, let's get right into it. I want to talk about the burnings for BABYDOGE and why this is a huge catalyst for pumping the price of BABYDOGE. And first, I want to say we're at 1.7 million holders. Wow, man, that's a lot of holders for BABYDOGE. Can you believe it? And the number one biggest holder is the null dead address. This is the burn address. You know what? A lot of BABYDOGE coins gets burned. They have a 10% tax. So, on every transaction, some of the BABYDOGE coins are going to the burn address. And I want to show you real quick. Here's the burn address. Decent sized exchanges, but not any of the major ones yet. And this is going to be a big catalyst for pushing BABYDOGE the price higher, and I'll talk about which exchanges I see this getting listed on, and I'll give you a specific time frame of when I see that happening, because right now, as you can see again, we can prove that the holders who the holders are for these exchanges. You see on coinmarketcap.com, OKEx, Gate.io, Huobi, Poloniex, BigCat, BKEx, MEXC. So what is missing on this list? You know it. We're missing Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Gemini, Kraken, and KuCoin, I believe. Yeah, also KuCoin. So we're missing some pretty big exchanges, and those are really going to pump this up a lot. Now, I'm going to talk about which ones I think are coming through in 2023, but first, let's talk about the chart. So here, this chart goes all the way until here's 2024, all right? So this is 2024. What do I see happening? So I believe BABYDOGE is going to catch a price floor around this range. Like if I could just guesstimate a price floor, I think this. So it's not going to come down a lot. It could floor out and bottom out again, but I see BABYDOGE kind of bouncing up and down in this range, like between here and here. I see BABYDOGE doing that. I don't see BABYDOGE breaking all-time highs in 2023. I have to be honest and realistic, but I think down below, and again, thank you so much for watching.